Trim like a king. Ditch the barber, own the blade. Why settle for a half-baked trimmer when you can have the OLOV All-in-One Grooming Kit, a beard, body, and beyond solution that trims everything from head to toe? This 21-piece electric razor set includes self-sharpening steel blades that slice through hair like a samurai sword, no tugging, no pain, just silky smooth precision. Whether you're sculpting your beard, cleaning up your neckline, or taming the wild jungle of your nose and ears, this do-it-all trimmer is the only tool you'll ever need for a flawless, barber-fresh look at home. Let's be real, no one wants a trimmer that yanks and pulls like a lawnmower stuck in tall grass. The OLOV Grooming Kit comes with razor-sharp, self-sharpening steel blades, cutting through thick beards, stubborn mustaches, and even unruly chest hair with zero irritation. Unlike cheap, disposable razors, these blades stay sharp for years, delivering a smooth, even trim every time. Plus, the body trimmer attachment ensures you stay nick-free and comfortable in even the most sensitive areas. Yep, we mean those areas. No cords, no mess, no nonsense, just powerful, cordless trimming whenever and wherever you need it. The USB charging dock keeps your trimmer ready to go, while the long-lasting lithium battery powers through multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. Need a quick cleanup? Just rinse the blades under running water, no complicated disassembly, no annoying maintenance. Whether you're trimming in the bathroom, on the go, or even in the car before a hot date, this hassle-free trimmer has got you covered. Not all trimmers are created equal, and cheap plastic clippers just don't cut it, literally. The OLOV Grooming Kit is designed with premium, heavy-duty materials that can handle daily use without wearing down. The attachments snap on and off effortlessly, making it easy to switch from beard sculpting to body trimming in seconds. Customers rave about its sturdy build, precise performance, and long-lasting durability, because this isn't just a trimmer, it's an investment in looking sharp for years to come. Skip the overpriced barber visits and get pro-level grooming right at home. With 21 attachments, this kit replaces multiple tools, saving you time, money, and bathroom counter space. Whether you're a beard-growing beast or a clean-cut king, the OLOV trimmer helps you maintain your best look effortlessly. Why settle for less than perfect grooming when you can own the best? Grab yours now and trim like a pro, without the pro price tag.